Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to make your phone number private on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and here on the right upper corner tap to the three dots or to the more icon. Now just tap here to the settings and go to the calling accounts. Just here tap to the settings and here go to the additional settings. Now as can you see, we got here the caller ID section, just tap there. And now we got here the network default, and we just can hide our number, and when we'll make our outgoing calls, no one can see our number because our number will hidden. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.